Hey folks, Dave here. Gonna show you how to make chicken parm. Is this the ultimate comfort food experience? Don't add the sauce until serving. What's the point in making something deliciously crunchy to then drown it in sauce and make it squidgy? Think, goddammit, bread and fry your chicken, then put the cheese on top, it melted under a broiler or grill. Finally, plate the sauce on top of the cheese. It acts as a moisture barrier to keep the chicken crisp. No one likes soggy biscuits or breading. The elitist types insist it be called chicken parma, but I will not kowtow to big parma. Back in Australia, calling it a chicken parmesan will get you shanked. Parmigiana is the only acceptable long form there. It's also acceptable to call it chicken pajama, but only if you wink and laugh, while lightly elbowing whoever's next to you in a dad joke sort of way. Before we make our chicken parm, counterintuitively, we will be using the dry brine technique to keep the meat, dare I say it, moist. After pounding your meat,
a little longer than a few minutes later.
you'll also need 2 whole eggs, but without any eggshells. You're also going to need a clove of garlic, which you're going to chop up nice and fine. Throw that into the egg mixture. You have to throw in a little bit of salt, pepper and Italian herbs and mix it all up nicely. While you're cooking this, imagine sinking your teeth into a perfectly breaded and fried chicken cutlet, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Moist, even. Dredge in the flour and breadcrumb mixture before carefully sliding your meat into the container. Put Parmesan cheese in the breading, it makes a difference. This dish was invented by I don't know who, I don't know when, and I don't care. As usual, industrious and culturally enriching immigrants were involved. Don't come at me, I'm an immigrant too before anyone decides to take offence. And then comes the pièce de résistance, a glorious layer of molten, gooey mozzarella, like a warm, cheesy hug that wraps around the entire dish, and your arteries too. Widowmaker ahoy, me fat hearties.
Nice job, team.
It's gonna be a cutlet smothered in a vibrant tomato sauce that's singing with the harmonies of garlic and herbs. Dear Australia, thick cut chips go next to the parmy, you savages. In Australia, it's hotly debated if the fries go under the chicken. They might do that because, as we all know, Australia is upside down and on the other side of the flat earth, on top of the big turtle. This is what I see. Beautiful, beautiful.
So pretty, like model.
You can serve it with a salad, so you can pretend you're eating healthy, or thick-faced chips. You do you, bro. It's a bit of a faff to make, but I'm really looking forward to it. Alright, so let's see what it tastes like. Still got a crunch because I put the cheese down first, then the sauce.
This is the way.
Fat chip. This is how they do it in Australia, apparently. That was very nice.
Woo! Yeah!
I can understand why this would be sold in every pub in Australia. Some would serve it with spaghetti, but for chips. You get a nice crunch on the outside. Like that. Very good. Super pumped for this. Dry brining the chicken, turkey, great idea. Stays juicy. This is what a well-formed mouthful looks like. Whoops-a-daisy. Hey. Got it. That's it. Until next time. Bye-bye.
What are you talking about?
This conversation can serve no purpose anymore. Goodbye.